Hi, and welcome to another edition of What Can Waymark Do for You in June 2023. So it's just about summer. We just went through Memorial Day, and Memorial Day is the unofficial start to summer. And what I've started hearing from a number of my clients is that they're starting to do some more home improvement projects, whether it is that they were having trouble finding a contractor because everyone had waited until after COVID was done, or they were concerned about COVID and didn't want anyone in their house. Now people are actually starting to think about doing those home improvement projects like refinishing floors or doing a bathroom, updating the kitchen, and even landscaping projects. So how best to pay for that? So there are a number of different ways to pay for home improvement projects that could be $20,000, $50,000, $100,000. Obviously, you could use cash, but you could also use your investments. You could also take out a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit. So there's all sorts of different ways that you could actually pay for that home improvement project, and that's where Waymark comes in. So feel free to reach out to us if you do have one of these home improvement projects, and we can talk to you a little bit about the different options that you have to finance that, and more importantly, can you actually afford it? So give us a call, let us know. We can rerun the financial planning analysis and make sure that you can actually afford that, but also start looking at some alternate ways to finance the project so that you're not leaving yourself high and dry from a liquidity standpoint and wiping out your checking and savings. So look forward to chatting with you about some of those projects, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.